Welcome to the demo video of alarm tone generator. In this video, we will learn how to tune an alarm in multiple patterns using Arduino Uno. To work on this project, we will need an Arduino, one buzzer, and A to B type connector. Program on the board, we will have to connect this Arduino board with the laptop using this A to B type cable, and the buzzer will be connected with the board. The red wire of this buzzer is connected with pin number 8 and the black is connected with ground. And now let us go through the program. So this is the program what we'll have to upload in the Arduino Uno board. The fuse pin is connected with pin number 8. Fuse pin is connected with pin number 8. And just go to the tool, make sure Arduino board is connected, and it is connected with port number 22. Our port number is 22. It is connected to the USB port. And just click on upload, and it is compiling. You can see the process over here. It is uploading, then uploading. You can hear the sound.